Hello, everyone. This is my presentation for the AI related topics. All right. So I'm going to jump right into it. My name is Charles Gregory. I'm a certified image consultant. I've been styling in image and branding for over, I want to say 15 years now. Really quickly, I realized that there was an opportunity for AI or utilizing AI to help my clients scale in addition to helping me scale. And because of that, there were certain things in terms of workflows that I really quickly found a need for and that I utilize today and that I teach certain people that it is a total game changer. The one that we're doing today is the AI tools post production workflow. Let's jump right into it. The first thing that I'm going to show you right now is something that's called, so first and foremost, we're going to use three tools: Opus Clip, ChatGPT, in addition to YouTube. Now, people say, what, YouTube? What do you mean, YouTube? That's AI. Well, it has an AI feature that I'm going to show you, and that's what we're going to utilize. All right, so let's jump right into it. So I'm going to share my screen. The first thing I'm going to pull up is Opus Clip. Now, I won't do a full demo on Opus Clip because I've seen a few of them already on within the consultants, and so you already know how to use it. It's just one thing that I really want to show you, which is this function right here. This is the social account connections. Let me go back out of here so you see where I clicked. These are links. It says social accounts. You click that, the box pop up. This is me, and this is connected to my YouTube, and it has all of the accounts that you want as it relates to social media, all the main ones anyway. All right. So now that you have that, now just for just for now, I'm gonna jump out of Opus Clip, and now I'm gonna share my YouTube screen. Now you go to YouTube. Now we all know how to utilize YouTube by now, so I'm gonna go to create. I'm gonna upload a video that I have on my desktop. I'm gonna go here and I believe here it goes right here. It's only 4 minutes long. Now, how long it uploads depends on how long the video is, but it's a few things that I want you to take a look at. I want you to look at the details for YouTube. You got your title, your description, your thumbnails, your playlist, all of this, right? I'm gonna go to more. I just click no because it's not for kids per se, because it will stop you from moving forward. But I want to show you this particular box that says add tags. That's going to be important later. So I want you to pay attention to that. I'm going to move forward, next. And I want you to click unlisted. Then we can save. All right. So as that saves, right? So we understand where we at right now. We want the Opus Clip. Now we want the YouTube to upload a video to save it. So we already know where we at now. So I'm going to stop sharing the screen for Opus Clip. Now I'm going to go into my third AI tool, which is ChatGPT. So I'm going to go into ChatGPT. Now, there's something important with ChatGPT that you guys already know about. And why is ChatGPT so important? Because it allows you to engineer a prompt that will do everything for you. Now, I created a prompt, I generated a prompt that I will let you see, and I'll go over it real quick. But the important aspect is once you engineer a perfect prompt, ChatGPT will do everything for you, right? And so let me go over the prompt. I'll stop sharing this and going directly into the prompt. I'm gonna share screen and show you what the prompt looks like. All right, so let me increase that. Now, what you see here is I'm gonna read it, just some of the main portions, some of the main parts, because it's very important to know. It says paste your transcript below exactly as provided by YouTube. Do not edit or summarize. You are a professional media production assistant responsible for transforming video transcripts into complete broadcast ready YouTube content packages with a specialization in SEO, the search engine optimization. All right. A default rule, unless I explicitly request a different format, assume that every transcript I provide requires full YouTube content package. Now, what we're creating in terms of the transcript that we're going to upload, That's a full YouTube package. So all of the fields that I showed you on YouTube, we want something to make sure that this will fill out all of those fields so you don't have to think about what you need to write into them. Every YouTube package must include, and I'll go over just the titles because this is pretty long. Dynamic title. You want a dynamic title that's SEO friendly, under 65 characters. You want a 2-sentence lead. So what's a 2-sentence lead? A 2-sentence lead is usually the summary of, say, for example, you have a thumbnail, you put it on the page so they can click into it. They want to know kind of what the video is. That's what a 2-sentence lead is. All right. Extended description. This is what's going to be in your description. A minimum of 5 to 7 sentences. And it's informed, contextual, yada, yada, yada. You can see that. Timestamps. I'm going to make sure that I save, that I shared this particular prompt so you guys have it. I could probably create a GPT for this, but I just don't do it because I've been using this a long time, but I'll make sure I share it. Timestamp chapters. So we want to make sure that it creates timestamps for us. Some people don't like it. Some people do. I put it on there so people know exactly where to go to if it's something that they potentially had an aha moment. They like the particular part of the video. They have that. Hashtags. This is important. Always separated by commas. The reason why that's important is because if you just put a whole slew or whole line or string of hashtags in the hashtag section of YouTube, it won't take it. Unfortunately, don't ask me why. It just doesn't do it. So you want ChatGPT to separate them with commas. All right, 7, professional tone. You want it in a professional tone. Well, maybe not you. You might want it in maybe an entertainment or a chatty type of tone. This is a professional tone. I work with tons of journalists and people in the civic sector. So a lot of times they don't want anything that has any fun in it. All right. They want everything cut and to the point. Oh, well, that's dumb. I got you. But the special rules, this is important. If I upload, these are file formats in terms of the transcript that you're going to upload. So if it's a VTT, PDF, or a text document, this is the file. And you want to tell it to recognize this document. So when I upload it, you know to create whatever's necessary for me to upload in YouTube. Now, these are optional, it's relevant. Pull one quote for the thumbnail. People know they put quotes on thumbnails when it looks all amazing. And then we go from there. Reminders, just reminding ChatGPT again, always include a 2-sentence lead. Separate hashtags with commas. Always follow YouTube formatting and accuracy. Instructions, wait for me to paste the transcript before generating the package, period. Sometimes if you put something on there, ChatGPT does what it wants. We want to make sure that it doesn't do that. All right, cool. All right, cool. So I'm going to get out the screen and I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. All right, now I'm sharing ChatGPT. Now remember, I showed you the prompt. Now what I'm gonna do with the prompt is I got the file, I turned it into a document, right? Let me go to my downloads. Now this is the prompt right here, the master transcript prompt. Now I didn't write anything else. Everything that I needed is already in the prompt. All right. It's still uploading. Now you can write, this is the prompt that I need you to, I don't know, that I need you to write for whatever, but everything is already in there, right? And so you don't need to do that. All right, cool. So we upload the prompt that I showed you. Now let's just run it. Let's see what ChatGPT says. Let's see if it understands the document. This is a PDF that I'm uploading. Oh, say, got it. I reviewed the master transcript prompt. Cool. And it's telling me everything that it promises to do. Dynamic title, sentence lead, extended. It's everything that I needed it to do. That's what the prompt is, right? It even tells you the PDF that you upload, which is what we're about to do. Final verdict, the prompt is professionally written, instructor ready, platform ignite, everything is already there. So now that I have that, now let's take this out, right? Let's go back to YouTube. I'm gonna share my screen. Go to YouTube. The video has completed and is uploaded. So let's go to the video, and this is where the magic happens, right? All right, so this is where the magic happens at, right? All right, cool. So we're in the video. Now we go to more, and it says transcript. So the video that I uploaded already has a transcript that's ready. We go here, copy, all right? I'm gonna come back out of this and go back to save it as a document. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. All right. Now I want to go here, upload the transcript. Now here's the transcript. And let's see what happens. Wow, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So it already created a dynamic title inside fashion career tank. So this was a lecture that I did at Drexel University, and so it talks a little bit about the title, what I did, 2 sentence lead, extended description. Now all I then have to do is go back right to YouTube, and everything that was in there, right? I go to the master prompt from ChatGPT and just copy and paste from there. All right. Just real quick, I'll just do something so you can see it. And just put it right here. All right. Boom. And everything is in there just that fast, right? The sentence inside fashion. We just copy this. Put it right here. When things want to work, right? Inside fashion, blah, blah, blah. There you go. I just want the description. That's your description right there. The timestamps. And this is something else that I want to show you right here. All right. The hashtag separated by commas. So you can have it and just press save. And there you have it. Just like that. Now everything is titled the way that you want to title it. It's really that simple, right? Cool. Now, the last thing that I want to show, I'm gonna stop sharing this. I'm gonna go back to Opus Clip. All right. Now, if everything worked out, boom, you see this? Now, remember, I didn't upload this to directly to Opus Clip. Remember, I connected my social to Opus Clip. Opus Clip already understood that anytime that I save a video on YouTube, because I connected it that way, that is automatically going to send it to Opus Clip, and Opus Clip is going to create the clips for me. Here's all the clips right here. As you can see, this one's talking about effortless meet schedule. Book your slot now. There you go. Sneakerhead mission. It talks a little bit about Fashion Academy. So all of this is already from the video that I uploaded, right?
We'll hang around if anyone wants to chitty chat.
So chitty chat, that's funny. That's Alicia used chit chat, right? So there you go. And then all I would need to do from there is if I wanted to publish, just press publish, and that will send these clips right now. Remember, I'm connected to YouTube and it already understands it. They will send that to YouTube Shorts because these are only 30 seconds, 15-second clips. So it's already connected. It already identifies that's the AI that YouTube already has, that it knows that any short clip that you're sending is automatically going to send it to YouTube Shorts. It's just that simple, right? And when it's green like that, that means it already sent, right? See, none of them else are green except this one. And so you can download it. It's already published. And there you have it. There you have it. It's just that simple. Let me come back out of this. When we talk about utilizing AI models, AI tools, this was a pretty extensive training, right? That's because I used 3 different tools for one different product, so to speak, right? Or one different mission, one production. This was the AI tools post-production workflow. So I'm utilizing tools for post-production workflow. You have a video, upload the video automatically sends the Opus clip to create small clips. The video that you created or uploaded to YouTube, you need the transcript from there so you can create the title and a description. Once you have title description, your video is already completed. You save it, boom. You don't have to think about it. Everything is there. You already thought about everything when you did the interview or everything that you have in there. So it's just that simple. Now, it don't have to be your video. Opus Clip allow you to take a link from any video that you might like and put it in there and create the clips for you. But this is the videos that you may create. So hopefully you have an idea how to utilize these clips together. So this was stringing AI tools together that I believe that you would like. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Charles Gregory. It was an absolute pleasure. I'm gonna have to edit this so I can make sure that I put this. It said 10 minutes. It's definitely longer than 10 minutes. So I'll edit this together. But you gotta excuse me because it wasn't just one tool, it was 3 of them. All right, so hopefully y'all understand that. But thank you. This is my presentation for me to understand AI tools and the things that I teach on a daily basis. So I really appreciate the time and thank you.